Hello, happy Wednesday to my appleters. I don't know what I was doing with my arm just then, it was weird. Anyway, good morning. I just wanted to remind you guys about your assignment for this week, that it's the same kind of assignment as last week that relates to your book. It will be due Friday in one document. Both questions, you'll write analytical paragraphs to each question. You need to make sure that you upload that one Google Doc that both of those things will be in by 4:30 on Friday. I hope some of you, especially those of you who are taking the AP exam, the applet exam, I hope that you all were able to look at, listen to, research a little bit from that slide that I put together with extra information about T.S. Eliot. Hope you're able to read Love Song for Jail for Prufrock yesterday and work a little bit with it today for Poetry Corner with Coco Day 2 or deux. I'm not very good at French. Anywho, today I will be bringing you some Alfred Lord Tennyson, and we will be reading Ulysses. It's much shorter. So I gave you an American author yesterday, a modern American poet, and today I will be giving you a romantic with a capital R. That's the only kind that we're interested in, right? We don't care about the lowercase r, like chick flick romantic and roses and pink and all that kind of stuff, although I do love pink. Only black roses, so they're very rare. Anywho, you will be reading Ulysses, and I will be putting together all of that information shortly, and I will hopefully not fail as miserably as I did yesterday when I was trying to put together the lecture in my video. I feel like it'll be better today. I'm just gonna knock on wood here and hope for the best. We'll see. So we have that, and then tomorrow we have our Zoom again at 1. Thank you to those of you who came to the Zoom yesterday. Thanks for being flexible and allowing me to start 20 minutes early due to a doctor's appointment for my daughter. Tomorrow it'll be normal time, 1 to 2. I'll stay on the whole time in case anybody needs to or wants to join. If you have any questions about this week's assignment, about the poem, I really would like to talk to those of you who either want to delve into the poem because you know you're going to be studying more literature in college and or because you are taking the applet exam. And I know that poetry is going to be hit really hard on this exam, given that you're going to lose that poetry essay. So it is important that we continue to explicate these poems. And like I said, I'm going to be pulling poems from every genre I can find, different types of authors. I'm going to try to diversify it as much as possible, but you know I love my romantic, so I'll probably have one of those maybe every other week. So I haven't given you Keats yet, so I feel like you should be proud of me for that. I did restrain. I was going to give you Ode to a Nightingale or Ode on Melancholy, which I'm still going to. I just don't know when. So anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you have any questions between now and tomorrow when we have our Zoom at 1 o'clock, just shoot me a text or remind. And once again, I've said it a million times, I miss you guys.